What's your name?
Jessica.
And where are you from?
I'm half Ethiopian and half Welsh.
Oh, wow.
I speak a little bit of Welsh and Amharic, which is the Welsh Ethiopian language.
Wow.
When you're ready.
Thank you. The sun will come out tomorrow. Bet your bottom dollar that tomorrow there'll be sun. Just thinking about tomorrow clears away the cobwebs and the sorrow till there's none. When I'm stuck within.
Can we stop the music a minute? Can we try that without the music? But maybe like, the sun will come out tomorrow.
Give it a bit
of sass.
The sun will come out tomorrow. Bet your bottom dollar that tomorrow there'll be sun.
Huh.
When I'm stuck with a day that's grey and lonely, I just stick up my chin and grin and say,
Stop, stop. Amazing. Absolutely amazing.
I've seen a little bit of, what do you call it, Tara? Sass, is it?